Where has all the inventory gone? Guess what? The inventory is gone because a lot of people are not putting their house on the market because they have super low interest rates that they got during 2020 and 2021 and even part of 2022. But now that interest rates have come up and almost doubled since then, nobody wants to put their house on the market because if they do, then their payment will go up if they tried to trade up. So once you see interest rates start to come down and inflation tops out, and a matter of fact, the Fed is actually putting a pause on raising interest rates for now to see what happens with inflation. If in fact they are correct and interest rates do start to come down because inflation is coming down, we will start to see more people putting their house on the market, and that will be an opportunity at that time for more houses to start hitting the market. But right now is a fantastic time to buy because there is a lot less inventory on the market and there is a lot less buyers. So you're able to get out there and do some negotiations. The beautiful thing of this is you should start looking into possibly doing a 2-1 buy down. If you do a 2-1 buy down right now, you can save yourself probably about $500 to $800 on the first year and anywhere from $200 to $400 on the second year. And you're able to get into that house and then refinance in the future and get the interest rate that you want when they do come down. I expect to see interest rates probably in the high 4s, low 5s, probably about this time next year. If you have any questions about this, make sure you also like, share, and follow this post, and give me a call if you would like to learn about getting approved and how to be approved for a home mortgage right now. 916-799-3256. Talk to you soon.